What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Von Vlogs, back at it again with another video. Today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be covering the intercooler. But before I start off all that, I just got off work. As you can see by what I got on, I'm a little tired, so y'all forgive me. But I just want to say thank y'all for supporting and subscribing to the channel. And we on our way up, y'all. I guarantee y'all that there's so much to come. Like, I can't explain. Like, y'all just gotta stay tuned to the channel, bro. It's gonna go crazy for sure. I wanna say Happy New Year to all y'all, and hope y'all have fun over the holidays and stuff. I know everybody back to work now. It sucked. This is my first day back after 15 days, y'all. That job was tragic. I did not want to come back. But without no further ado, we gonna get to the video. I'm driving to the spot right now, and I got some more miles on the car that it's gonna be in a different video. I don't want to clutter it all into one. So, see y'all at the spot. Swipe. That's the deal, YouTube. We at the spot now. We about to get right into the video. Without no further ado. I really like the intercooler. For the price, I don't think you can beat it. I like the CV Fab one, but I like the aesthetics of the Cpe intercooler, because you get the stencil writing of the Cpe, so when you look at it from the front of the car, like in this picture right here, you can see the Cpe straight in there. I didn't want no just blank intercooler without saying nothing. You could probably like plastic dip or some spray paint something on there, but nobody want to do that. Look all corny and stuff. So that's the reason I really went with the Cpe Street Intercooler. And I didn't go race because I'm not trying to make super high horsepower numbers or plan on upgrading the turbo anytime soon. This is my daily driver, so I don't plan on getting too crazy with this car. I just want to enjoy it, get a little bit more power, and for it to still be reliable. Intercooler with the tune, it's like a whole nother car, I'm telling y'all. And if you're in the market just starting out modding your Ecoboost Mustang, I would highly recommend do the intercooler first. No doubt about it. Everybody told me to do the intercooler first, but I really didn't have the money at the time. But as soon as I got the money and installed the intercooler, I can tell the difference like right off. But all the links to the intercooler and will be in the description below. And if you guys want to go pick one of these up, I highly recommend it. And for the price, I think it's what, like 370 bucks for it. You can't beat that. You really can't beat that. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all pictures of how it looks, the differences between the two, how big it is compared to the stock one, and videos when I was installing it. It took about 2 hours, and it was very frustrating because you gotta fit that big old intercooler. It ain't that big, but for the factory mount location, that's a lot compared to the stock one. As you guys can see, it's pretty tough getting it in there because you gotta like wedge in there at different angles, and then you gotta adjust the radiator just a little bit and then put it right back in place, so you can get it up in there perfectly without doing any extra nonsense. And I would highly recommend getting an extra set of hands to help you out with this, because doing it by yourself, I wouldn't even recommend anybody do it by yourself, to be honest. Especially because you gotta lift up on both sides and then you gotta lock it into the mounting brackets. You guys can see that you go to install it, I guess, or whatever. But it's gonna be a little short video. If you guys got any questions about the intercooler or anything that I didn't go over and cover in the video, just hit me up in the comments or on my Instagram. It should be right there, maybe. But I'm not really sure how much horsepower or torque numbers I gained from installing it. But because I haven't got the car dyno or anything, I'm probably not going to do none of that, to be honest. And I have noticed a drop in the inlet temperatures, because they used to be always high. and heat soak maybe probably like after like 5 pulls, like hard pulls. But who's going to do that on a regular basis? I can see if it's going to the track or anything, but you wouldn't have went with the street intercooler. But I'm gonna leave that out there. You would have went with the race intercooler, where you definitely get like at least like 10 pulls out of it without heat soak. It's a 10 times bigger improvement over stock. Thanks for watching this video. This has been another video brought to you by Vine Vlogs TV. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram so you can never miss out on an upload and always be aware. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys in the next banger.